This is DJI Mini 2 SE, and today I'll show how you can recenter your camera's gimbal on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the DJI Fly app on your phone, then open the Fly interface. Here, tap at these three horizontal dots to launch settings, select the control section at the top, then scroll this page down, find the Recenter Gimbal button, and once you tap on it, the gimbal gets recentered. Now let me show you what it does. So it recenters the gimbal by putting it in this position, or that it looks down like that. So that depends what footage you would like to film. If you would like for your camera to look below the drone, you can tap over here, and if you would like to return it to its default position, so the camera will film what's in front of it, you can use this recenter gimbal button. Anyway, that'll be it for this video, so thanks for watching and bye bye.